In my last video on EURUSD, I stated very clearly that the EURUSD is headed to this level to fill up the imbalances, and that any rally towards this area will offer a sell opportunity to head down towards this area to fill up the imbalances that we have here, and also to retest this broken fallen trend line that was broken at this point and has never been retested. And that also will align with the horizontal support which we have right here on the daily time frame. In addition to that, it will also be a level between the 61.8% Fibonacci and the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So just as we stated, the EURUSD found sellers just above here. After we saw the rally up into this point, we saw that sell off, and the market is gradually coming down. Now you have to understand that we are still in an upward trend, like I stated in my initial video. So if you haven't watched that video, you can check it out here, and also add a link to the description section so that you find that video. So I stated that the EURUSD has just broken structure here, and we have seen a resumption in uptrend. However, the uptrend is not going to continue until we see a sell-off into these areas. That is where we begin to look for buy opportunity. So while we are pointing out this sell-off that will take place, remember that we are just at the beginning of an uptrend, which can only be invalidated when the price comes below this level. So it's only when price comes below this level that this new move of having an uptrend will be invalidated. So what are you going to do if you have missed this short opportunity from here? What are you going to do? Let me show you what you're going to do. When you connect your trend lines like I showed you yesterday, connecting these higher lows here. All right, so when you connect these higher lows, you see that you're having a rising trend line. So I pointed out that if the market should break below this rising trend line and also close below this minor low, then we should expect the price to fall further into this area. So as long as the price remains here above this point, we may still see some bounces to the upside before a breakout. So this will be a guide for anyone that didn't enter any short around this area. Then a break below this area may offer you a sell opportunity to this point. But remember, like I said, is a counter trend trading, because the overall trend here is uptrend. Okay, I stated in the last video I made that any selling is a counter trend trading, because the trend right now is uptrend, which is just beginning. We saw this high, then higher low, then we've seen a new high right now and a break of structure. So the market just broke structure here. So any move into this area should be offering us another buy opportunity into new highs, right? We will be tracking these markets just like we said yesterday, and I'll be giving you updates every day. So make sure you always return to check out an update for the EURUSD. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, kindly share the video and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video. Cheers.